because the plan had changed for the shower, I had was to use a chisel. Trying to call a friend to get the jackhammer for just 5 minutes. It never happened. So I had was to this here. It's coming to right here. This high bit coming to right here. This one. Then this one here is gonna be low 3 inches. Right, so the big glass gonna separate the bathroom from that, the toilet from that, and then this is the door you come in. So the door from where the hammer handle is open 24 inches to right here. Stop right here, it won't catch on this. As you can see, I had also changed the bathroom design because at the angle that I wanted it, at one point I realized it was so small. So today I went about to get some estimates on glass, and I was showing the gentleman my idea. However, for me to get that idea, I would have to order the glass from overseas, which I can't afford that. So what I did, I came home and I have to start all over again because I showed him what I want, and he helped me with the measurements, and so I can make the bathroom how the second way, the like change the plan, you know. I didn't want to, but I have to because I don't have money to order things from overseas, so I have to do it the way how they do it. I wanted my glass door to swing off another glass, not from the wall, but it has to swing from the wall. But he's working with me with the plan that I have with the step up. Okay, all the plans that he showed me, they're no step up. I told him I don't want the bathroom with the shower, the level of the bathroom. So I tell him my sizes, and he said, okay, he will work with me with the step ups that I have here that I'm doing. And I had was to, you see previously, I had was to take the cement from the back of the car because I could not lift up